What if the greatest car America ever built didn't actually die, but simply went into hiding to reinvent itself? Close your eyes and imagine a silhouette so sharp it cuts through the mundane, a nameplate that defined cool for 60 years, finally returning to reclaim its throne. Is the world actually ready for the resurrection of the ultimate gentleman's muscle car, or is this 2026 masterpiece about to change the rules of luxury forever? Legends never really die. They just wait for the world to catch up to their brilliance, and the 2026 Buick Riviera is the ultimate proof of that patience. As we stand at the crossroads of automotive history, the return of the Riviera nameplate isn't just a product launch. It is a cultural revival of American grand touring that challenges every SUV-bloated trend on the market today. Looking at the silhouette of this 2026 concept, you immediately notice how it balances the legendary Botel heritage of the early 70s with a futuristic, aerodynamic flow that feels like it was sculpted by the wind of a high-speed wind tunnel. The front fascia is dominated by Buick's new signature checkmark, winged LED lighting, and an expansive brushed aluminum shark nose grille that sits dangerously low to the ground, giving it a predatory yet poised stance that demands a second look. This isn't just a car meant to transport you from point A to point B. It's a piece of kinetic art designed to make every suburban driveway feel like a Monte Carlo red carpet. Under the long, dramatic hood, the engineering is just as poetic and sophisticated. Whether you're looking at the high-output 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that purrs with a refined 520 horsepower, or the whisper-quiet Ultium electric powertrain featuring a 102 kilowatt-hour battery, the Riviera delivers a surge of momentum that feels absolutely bottomless. It utilizes the latest magnetic ride control fork, which reads the road surface 1,000 times per second, ensuring that even on the roughest cracked pavement, the cabin remains as steady and undisturbed as a private jet lounge. Speaking of the cabin, the interior is where the 2026 Riviera truly separates itself from the global competition, moving Buick into a tier previously reserved for the likes of Bentley or Lexus. It features a massive 30-inch curved 6000 OLED display that seamlessly integrates navigation, real-time performance telemetry, and biometric climate control into one crystalline pane of glass. The materials are a masterclass in modern luxury: open-pore dark ash wood, hand-stitched semi-aniline leather with diamond quilting, and interactive ambient lighting that mimics the soft, pulsing glow of a coastal sunset. With Buick's patented quiet tuning technology and a 19-speaker Bose ultra-near-field audio system tucked into the headrests, the outside world simply ceases to exist the moment you close the soft-touch, vacuum-sealed doors. On the open highway, the Super Cruise hands-free driving system takes the cognitive stress out of the long-distance commute, allowing the Riviera to glide autonomously through traffic, while you enjoy a heated stone massage from the 16-way adjustable driver's seat. This car represents a calculated $70,000 to $90,000 investment in pure, unadulterated elegance, challenging European rivals with a level of cool that only a classic American nameplate can provide. It is a vehicle for those who don't need to shout to be noticed, a car that understands that true power is found in silence, style, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. As the sun sets on the era of boring, boxy transportation, the 2026 Buick Riviera rises as a beacon of what's possible when we respect our heritage while fearlessly embracing our